So I want to introduce you to two of my Solfeggio chimes. The first frequency is all about clearing out negative emotions, guilt, fear, shame, anger, and all the ways in which we stop our body actually grounding and staying connected to the earth. It's a purifying frequency, it's a clearing frequency, and it's a grounding frequency. So check it out. You can stand with both feet on the floor or sit with both feet on the floor and allow this vibration to move through your body and see where it has that beautiful intelligence of knocking on the door of places in your body that need to shift. Taking nice deep breaths in and letting go. And these chimes are particularly good because they really broadcast into a space. They've been independently tested to show that they produce very coherent fields which are perfect for healing. And I love to use these chimes, whether it is for personal client sessions or indeed group sessions. And as you can hear, this is very beautifully precision tuned and it sustains for a very long time. So it's great for doing sessions where the client wants to go deep or when you need to broadcast to a large space. And the beauty of a chime, unlike a crystal bowl or unlike an instrument where you have to be sitting, you can move around the room. You can also move the chime up someone's spine, encouraging them to move their body so that the energy can move. And then the second one is for bringing light in. Once you have emptied out, you've cleared out the energies which are not the truth of who you are, you can bring in light. And what I'm doing here is I'm striking at the midpoint between the screw and the base, and this produces a nice loud tone. This is keying the heart into a deeper connection with source, love. It's also helping bring in light, which helps energize the body, speak to the heart, helps us come back to that truth that love and light is the truth of who we are as we awaken on this planet. And very beautiful to use in a space for bringing light into the body. And when you use the two together, they actually create a musical fourth, and they produce the refractive index of light into water. And the body's 70% water, so very good to have them sounding together, to feeling this as beautiful food with sound. Clearing out the old, bringing in the new, grounding into the body, grounding into the heart, and bringing more light in as we awaken on this planet, embodying, loving, and unifying with all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out more on my channel. And if you'd like to purchase a solfeggio chime, simply indicate which frequency you would like. And if you like my set, put Eeshi-Ra's set. These are the two that I mostly use. And the beauty of them is I can carry them anywhere I internationally travel. Super light. I've got them in a hockey stick bag. Very easy to transport and use anywhere. Thanks for watching.